Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It is Vlogmas day 12 and I'm excited because today I think is the day my sister and I will be putting up the decors. Well, the rest of the decors, because I put this on the pillowcase, the cushions already in the hall. So yeah, I'm about to get something to eat and then I'm going to head to church, and then afterwards we are going to do dinner and then decor. See you guys. Shaki! It's almost Christmas! Christmas is in the air! This is breakfast. So we're having some butter beans and saltfish and bananas. Breakfast time. Alright guys, so I'm heading over to church. At the moment I am ready. I'm wearing all purple and white and silver accessories. So I am ready.
Good morning, Sister Daisy.
Alright guys, so I am home. Church was lovely. I had fun at church. I enjoyed the worship session and I loved the message given today. So yes guys, I didn't video anything from church. I didn't bring this phone, so I didn't video anything from church today. But hey, I'm going to be heading into the kitchen and I'm going to be cooking because mommy they put one retreat, so me and Kay alone in the kitchen today. She ditched us, so yeah, let's get on with the cooking. Thank you. It's the water for the potato, and that's for my rice. What are you doing? You need to go to the dentist. Well, that one not bubble yet, but anyway. Rice is in, potatoes are in. Ooh, look what Sinead did. Anyway, let's give that some time, and then I'm gonna put on the finished product of the cow foot in a few. Anyway guys, so just finished with the potatoes and I added sweet peas, right, a green one. I wanted sweet corn, but there is no sweet corn in our house today. I don't know how we managed not having any sweet corn, so we're gonna work with what we have. I'm going to be adding a little sugar and a little mayo, so let's get on. Alright guys, so that is the finished product. We're gonna be letting it cool in the fridge. Could you open the fridge for me? In the fridge. What did Shanique did? Woo, so the rice is all ready. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off. So we have the, hold on. We have that on fire right now. And we're going to be adding the seasoning in a few. This pot right here is the, they call it the putting the yama. So yeah, see you when dinner is ready. Alright guys, so dinner is served. So that's the finished product. I'm gonna be watching TV and eating my dinner. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning up the kitchen and guess what? It's look poppy. You see them bug there for that passing camera. Anyway, so yeah, kitchen is clean. We finally put up that curtain and I'm loving it. It's all Christmassy. Anyway, clean place makes a happy life. Yeah, so alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Maybe it's short, maybe it's not, I don't know, but whatever it is, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching it once more. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in our next video. Oh, we didn't bother to decorate because we're tired, so that we'll be doing on another vlog. See you in day 13. Bye.